What if I told you that just 15 minutes every morning could completely transform your energy, mood, and fitness throughout the day? No expensive gym memberships, no complicated routines, just a short daily habit that sets the tone for everything that follows. In this video, I'll walk you through a 15-minute morning exercise routine designed to wake up your body, boost your metabolism, and keep you fit all day long. Stick with me until the end. Section 1. Why morning exercise? Before we jump into the exercises, let's talk about why mornings are so powerful. When you exercise after waking up, you're giving your body a natural wake-up call. Your blood starts pumping, oxygen flows to your brain, and your metabolism kicks into gear. Studies have shown that morning workouts improve focus, reduce stress, and even help you make healthier choices throughout the day. Section 2. The 15-minute morning routine. We're going to break this into 5 simple exercises, each lasting about 3 minutes. No equipment needed, just your body and a little bit of space. 1. Dynamic stretching and warm-up, 3 minutes. The first 3 minutes are all about waking up stiff muscles and getting your joints moving. Start with neck rolls and shoulder shrugs to release tension. Move into arm circles and side bends to loosen up your torso. Then finish with hip circles, leg swings, and a light march in place. This gets your blood flowing and prepares you for the workout ahead. Think of it as telling your body it's time to wake up and get moving. 2. Jumping jacks, 3 minutes. Now that you're warmed up, let's fire up your cardiovascular system. Jumping jacks are a classic, but they work wonders. Stand tall with your feet together, arms at your sides. Jump out with your legs while raising your arms overhead. Return to the starting position and repeat. If 3 minutes feels too long at once, break it into intervals. 30 seconds of jumping, 15 seconds of rest. Not only does this get your heart rate up, but it also burns calories and boosts your coordination. 3. Bodyweight squats, 3 minutes. Next, we're targeting your lower body, your strongest muscle groups. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower down as if you're sitting into a chair, keeping your back straight. Push through your heels to stand back up. Squats engage your glutes, thighs, and core. 3 minutes might sound tough, but you can pace yourself. Do sets of 10 to 15 reps. Rest for a few seconds, then continue. This not only strengthens your legs, but also improves balance and posture. 4. Push-ups or modified push-ups, 3 minutes. Now it's time to work the upper body. Push-ups are one of the best compound exercises because they hit your chest, shoulders, arms, and core all at once. Start in a plank position, hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the floor. Push back up, keeping your body straight. If regular push-ups are too challenging, drop your knees for a modified version. The key is consistency, not perfection. Do as many as you can, rest for a few seconds, then repeat until 3 minutes are up. 5. Plank hold and core work, 3 minutes. Finally, let's activate your core, which is crucial for stability and overall strength. Get into a forearm plank position. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your abs and hold. Try holding for 20 to 30 seconds at a time. Rest briefly, then repeat. If you want more variety, mix in mountain climbers or bicycle crunches during this time. Your core supports everything you do throughout the day, so this final exercise ensures you're strong and centered. Section 3. Cool down and breathing. After 15 minutes, you'll feel more awake, stronger, and energized. But don't skip a short cool down. Spend 1 or 2 minutes stretching your arms, legs, and back. Take deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. This calms your nervous system and sets a positive mental state for the day ahead. And there you have it, just 15 minutes every morning to stay fit, boost your mood, and set yourself up for success all day long. Remember, fitness isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. If you commit to this routine, you'll notice more energy, better focus, and improved health within weeks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more fitness tips and routines.